Welcome to our YouTube video on the emergence of Western psychology. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the history of psychology, exploring its roots, key figures, and major schools of thought. So let's dive right in. Our story begins in the late 19th century, when psychology emerged as a distinct scientific discipline. Prior to this, the study of the mind and behavior was often intertwined with philosophy and other disciplines. One of the pioneers of psychology was Wilhelm Wundt, a German psychologist who established the first experimental psychology laboratory in 1879. Wundt's approach, known as structuralism, focused on breaking down conscious experience into its basic elements. Another influential figure was Sigmund Freud, an Austrian psychiatrist known for his psychoanalytic theory. Freud's work emphasized the role of the unconscious mind and the significance of childhood experiences in shaping personality. Moving ahead to the mid-20th century, we encounter B.F. Skinner, an American psychologist who developed the theory of behaviorism. Skinner believed that behavior could be understood through the study of observable responses to stimuli without the need to delve into internal mental processes. In contrast to behaviorism, humanistic psychology emerged, led by Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow. Humanistic psychology emphasized the importance of personal growth, self-actualization, and the pursuit of one's own potential. Meanwhile, in the field of developmental psychology, Jean Piaget's cognitive theory revolutionized our understanding of how children learn and develop their cognitive abilities. In the 1960s, social cognitive theory gained prominence thanks to the work of Albert Bandura. Bandura's research focused on the reciprocal relationship between behavior, personal factors, and the environment. As we move into the late 20th century, positive psychology emerged as a new area of study, championed by Martin Seligman. Positive psychology focuses on promoting well-being and happiness rather than solely focusing on mental illness. Today, Western psychology encompasses a wide range of perspectives and continues to evolve with new research and discoveries. From the early schools of thought to the current emphasis on holistic approaches, psychology has come a long way in our quest to understand the human mind and behavior. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the emergence of Western psychology. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on psychology and other fascinating topics. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.